Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to disable enable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library and then right click on INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then select properties. Then go to the controller tab and here select disable Steam input. And then change requires restart of the game. So just simply restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and then go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter key. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller is working in INAZUMA 11 Victory Road or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers, display, phone, camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game and then select properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to restart Steam or restart PC. So close the Steam from task manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game and check. If that doesn't help, then simply restart your PC once and then run Steam as an admin and then check. Fix 6 is to enable generic gamepad configuration support. So open Steam in big picture mode, go to settings, controller settings, enable generic gamepad configuration support and then check. Fix 7 is to update controller drivers. So connect your controller to PC, right click on Windows icon and then select device manager, expand human interface devices. Right click on your controller, it should be game controller or HID complaint game controller and then select update driver. Click on search automatically for updated driver software option and allow Windows to install the latest driver. Now restart your PC after the update and then check controller is working or not. Fix 8 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bug or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. And the last solution is to install DS4 Windows tool. In Google, search for DS4 Windows and click on the first result as shown in the image. Or you can directly go to ds4-windows.com, download and install DS4 Windows on your PC. Now launch INAZUMA 11 Victory Road and check if your issue is fixed or not. By following these fixes, you can solve controller or gamepad not working in INAZUMA 11 Victory Road game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.